Wow, what a week this has been. It feels more like a month, really. Obviously, we've been quite busy this week. We're fortunate enough that we are classed as essential work due to obviously having to keep people's cars running and MOT. All I've done this week is MOTs, non-stop. We have been obviously prioritising NHS workers, and I'm glad they have been taking advantage of that. We've probably had 2 or 3 a day booking their cars in for certain bits and pieces. I have been starting early and finishing late to fit them in as well, because I know a lot of them obviously do shift work, so I've been doing early MOTs for the ones that are just coming off, and then late ones for the ones that are just starting. So for me personally, this week has been really, really tough. Since the government have announced the 6-month extension to any MOTs expiring on or after the 30th of March, the number of MOTs has died down a bit. There's still a lot of people booking their MOTs in. Obviously you still need to keep the car in roadworthy condition, and a lot of people are choosing to still have the MOTs done, which obviously helps us. Obviously we are still going to be open. If it does go quiet, we still have some cars to do. Over in the corner there is the Sierra that I'm sure many of you have seen. It's been here for quite a while, so yeah, we'll have the free ramp, so we'll get that in, we'll get that done, gain a parking space. Other than that, it is going to be things like painting the floor because of the mess the floor is in. Having a really good sort out so that when all of this is over, we can come back to being, the same garage that we were when we first started. And I think that's going to be really, really important, because this sort of thing, this mess, just doesn't do it for me. But it's everywhere, even over here you can see the state of the floor. It's just not, I don't like it. It's not where I like to work, so seeing as my business, anything on top of that. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for an update this week. I will leave this one here and I will catch you next week.